Story: The Deer Who Trusted Too Much. Once upon a time, there lived a lion in a forest. He was very strong and very powerful. A jackal worked for the lion as his helper. The jackal used to find animals for the lion to hunt. After hunting, the lion shared some food with the jackal. One day, the lion became very ill. He could not walk or hunt. He stayed inside his den. The lion said to the jackal, "I am sick and hungry. Please bring me some food." The jackal went into the forest. He walked for a long time. Soon he saw a deer eating grass. The deer looked healthy and happy. The jackal went near the deer and spoke softly. "Dear friend," said the jackal, "I have good news for you. The lion wants to make you his minister." The deer felt very proud and excited. He said, "Really, that is great news. Let us go and meet the lion." The jackal smiled and led the deer to the lion's den. As soon as the deer entered the den, the lion jumped on him. The poor deer had no time to run away. The lion killed the deer. The lion and the jackal ate the deer together. They were happy after the feast. The poor deer trusted the jackal too easily. He did not think carefully. He forgot that greed and pride can be dangerous. Moral of the story: do not trust sweet words blindly. Always think before you act. So friends, this was today's story. I hope you enjoyed it and learned a good lesson from it. Remember, never trust sweet words blindly and always think before you act. If you like this story, please like the video. Share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel, Talk Through Tales, for more simple stories. Keep listening to stories. Try telling them in your own words. And slowly, your English speaking skills will improve. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next story.